Johnny here, Northern Irishman in Poland, but now I'm in Togo. Jeremies, can you tell us where is this? Where are we?
So yes, we are. This is called Lac Togo.
Lac Togo?
In English, Togo Lake.
Togo Lake, yeah.
And this lake is very famous because all the villages living around, people living in the villages around this lake are fishermen.
Fishermen, yeah.
Usually. And now we are taking the boat to go to Togoville. Togoville is like the first village, the village where we signed the agreement to make Togo a German colony.
Okay.
On 14 July 1884. So, as you know, I told you already, Togo is first a German colony.
Yeah.
Before becoming a French colony. So we were a German colony till after the end of the First World War, when German was defeated. Then France, there was also war in Togo as well in Africa. It was the World War, so in Africa you had France against German too. And in Africa, German was defeated by France and British together. Because British and France were fighting together in Africa. What happened was Togo, the consequences were Togo was shared into two parts. The initial Togo was 300 kilometers long. That's the original Togo. Togo were